guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and today I am in what you could probably only describe as my favourite place in the world, the beach, to test out the brand new ZV-E10 from Sony. It's aimed at content creators much like the ZV-1, but rather than running up a hill or baking some fudge like I did last year, I thought I'd actually put this camera through its paces doing what I love to do. Paddleboarding, my one true love. But before I get on the water, let's go through the spec. And it's actually rather similar to the ZV-1. We've got our 4K video recording at 30, 25 or 24p, as well as full HD recording at 120p, just so you're sorted for your slow motion. We've also got the 3-directional capsule microphone on the top of the camera, so you get clearer and just better audio. It also means that this camera is going to be a lot better at isolating your voice from the background noise without the need for an additional mic. If, however, it is a particularly windy day, then they do supply you with the windshield muffy thing that comes in the box that just slips right on top of the camera. Now, this will come in handy, like I say, if it's windy, especially if you're by the coast. Now, if you're like me and you do a lot of self-filming, then the importance on being able to trust that your camera is going to keep you in focus is huge, especially if you walk out of the shot and then walk back in again. And for me, Sony have got some of the most reliable and accurate focusing systems on the market. So let's not be surprised when I say that the ZV-E10 is no different. We've got 425 phase detection points, which cover 84% of the frame, and will focus in as little as 0.02 seconds, so super quick focusing. You've also got yourself real-time IAF and tracking AF. Now, I know I've literally just said that the focusing on this camera is super quick, which it is, but it is customizable. So if you are maybe after a really slow pull focus style shot, you can do that with ease. We've got our bokeh switch, or as I like to call it, easy background defocus button, just on the top here. So if I push it, you will see how blurred out the background goes. Really quick and easy. Perfect if you are walking along or you're just vlogging, but you don't want your background to distract from what you're talking about. Okay, so what if I wanted to show you some of the jewellery that I'm wearing? Now, with other cameras, I would probably, with an item this small, have to do this to get it to focus, just so that you'd actually be able to see what it is. It's a ring. But with the Sony ZV-E10, much like the ZV-1, we have the product showcase mode, and that just means that it will quickly switch focus between a product and you when you hold it up to the camera. So there we go, there is my ring. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, we all think it's lovely. And if I take it away, it will focus back on me. Back on the ring, back on me, back on the ring, back on me. This mode is just the easiest thing in the world if you are a creator who likes to do, I don't know, maybe do product reviews or something, or beauty, and you need to be holding that product up to the camera. This quick and simple focusing. If you're more of the walking and talking type of vlogger, then this camera has also got face priority auto exposure. That just means that if you are, I don't know, maybe walking through a tunnel which is quite dark and you come out to bright sunlight, or you're in like a really shady forest area with loads of light patches, the camera is automatically going to expose for your face. So you're not going to get any dark facial videos. You'll be able to see yourself clearly. Your background might change, but you'll be the one that looks good. This camera has got a really cool mode button just on the top here, which is pretty much the only thing you're going to need to be pushing to switch between your modes quickly. You can go from still shooting to 4K video, and then if you push that button one more time, it will be set up ready for you to shoot slow motion. How quick and simple is that? Design-wise, we have the looks of the ZV-1, but with the added benefit now of a 24.2 megapixel aps-c XMOR CMOS sensor. So we're going to get nice high quality stills and video. That's not the only benefit though. We can also change the lens, and this is going to open you up creatively to a whole host of different opportunities. Sony have got a wide variety of lenses, so you will never be stuck for choice. We've still got the flip out screen, which I absolutely love. And I love the fact that it comes out to the side, so there is no obstruction if you want to pop a external microphone on, or the little windshield, or if you want to pop your camera onto a tripod or the Bluetooth grip that I've been using. The camera's also got a microphone port and a headphone jack, so no longer do you need to lock yourself away in a silent room to be able to hear back your audio. Now you are not a waterproof camera, so in my dry bag you go. Okay, so I know that this isn't an action camera, I know that it's not a waterproof camera, but I just wanted to use it in a scenario where I would likely vlog, okay? It's a vlogging camera, it's designed for content creators, so why can't those content creators be on the water, at home doing beauty, abroad doing travel, in the shed doing technical stuff? Whatever it is that you do, the ZV-E10 is definitely worth considering if you're looking to upgrade to a new content solution. I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy that I was able to bring it out on the water and show you guys a little bit of paddleboarding today. I am always left smiling after a paddle, even if the weather has dramatically changed since the time I went out, but it is now time for me to sit down, have a coffee, go through the stuff that I shot on the water and transfer it to my phone, make a TikTok, upload it to Instagram. Job done. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony ZV-E10, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop to your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, so after getting home, I looked back at some of the footage and I discovered that actually I did a very bad example of the background defocus, or the bokeh switch. So this is me now. I think I've also got smooth skin tone, or whatever that setting's called, on as well. Look how smooth and baby-like my face looks. Anyway, if I now hit this button that's on the top, you should get a blurry background. And then if I hit it again, non-blurry, blurry, non-blurry. See if I get closer to this bush. Okay, hold on. Okay, blurry background behind me, non-blurry, blurry, non-blurry. There you go, and that's just an example of background defocus.